a cylinder, remember a cylinder is what base shape? A circle. And the circle goes throughout the whole cylinder. So it starts with a circle on top, a circle on bottom, and then a circle all the way through. Hey, gentlemen. Hi. So the idea here is if we take a layer of the circle, we're really just stacking circles on top of each other to create this prism or this cylinder. It's very similar to a prism. Very similar to a prism, but because we have a circle base, we can be a little bit more specific with our formula. So volume is equal to... Okay. Oh my gosh. What is happening? Lang, stop messing with people.
I didn't do anything.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Volume equals, we have the base. How do I find the area of a circle? Pi. What's our formula for a circle? Pi r squared times h, because it's just really that capital B times height, just like yesterday. It's just now this time our base is a circle. So R stands for radius. H stands for height. Okay, if you want to grab two colors, I'm going to use yellow and red. I'm going to use yellow for radius today. Yellow and orange are too similar. Whatever. I'm a hypocrite. That's what I was told yesterday.
No.
Alright, you're going to get one glue in. We have one example to do. So glue this one in. One glue in. Alright, so put this one in. You just have one to do. Shouldn't take us very long.
What? Oh, I'm not doing it.
The longest part is going to be me getting these up.
How much?
I'm chilling. You just took my cereal. Trying to feel my feelings.
You have to get so up about everybody else. Alright, glue this in. Do I have glue? I don't have glue. Oh. Hand me some glue.
Got you, baby.
Thank you. I gave you one. Oh, okay. Alright, so two things that we need for this one. Okay, so the two variables we're searching for is the R and the H. So those are just the two things that we need, the R and the H. Okay, so the biggest... Abdi. Hi. Abdi. Alright, the biggest challenge today is literally going to just be determining the radius. Okay, remember radius goes how far across? Halfway. Good. So that's how... So how did you get 5, Camille? Good. Half of 10. Radius is only half of that base. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Good.
Do you not do R equals 5?
You could, yeah. Just in case. Sometimes when you do tests, people panic and they need to see that extra work. Because they would look at 5 and be like, what? How? So writing that is just nice if people need that extra. But yes, I would probably just write r equals 5. All right, what's our height? Good. Remember, does height always go up and down? No, it can go side to side. Good. Okay, then we just plug it in our formula. So V equals pi times what squared? What is our radius? 5. And our height? 8. Okay. Shh. Oh yeah. Shh. Lang. Okay, we throw that into our calculator. And then today we're going to be rounding to the nearest tenth, I believe. 1 decimal place. So pi times 5 squared times 8. We're doing the nearest 1 decimal. So 628.3 or 628.4? Good, 628.3. Now remember, this is volume. So how are you going to say the units? Good, we use that word cubic. When I write it, I'm going to write IN, which stands for inches. And then what exponent? 3 for volume. Volume, we're always using a 3. Area, we use a 2. All right, 6 minutes and